We have a dilemma. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Here I am, obviously like not in my typical attire. I'm at home right now, obviously, and I'm actually currently in my beauty room, and I am going to deep clean my beauty room, go through every single makeup product and get rid of the expired makeup, get rid of makeup that I don't really use anymore, or I'm gonna put it in my freelance makeup kit if it's new or if it's still good to use. Since you guys actually liked my last beauty room cleanup and declutter, I'm going to film another one. This one won't be as extreme just because that other one I literally decluttered like almost half of my makeup. So today is going to be a little bit more of like intentional deep cleaning. I'm going to wipe everything down. It's just like really nasty in here. Like there's just like makeup powder everywhere. Like when I film or when I get ready, like it just gets messy. I was going to do this by myself, but then I decided to just kind of film the process and see if I can maybe put together a fun little video for you guys to watch, just because I know these videos are really satisfying. So give it a thumbs up if you like these kinds of videos. And then I already started working a little bit behind the scenes, just storing away some makeup for my freelance kit, because I'll get into that a little bit later. Okay, I have the most exciting news ever, just because literally, you guys, I'm not joking, I was praying for this, literally asking God, give me a space that I can rent downtown Bellevue. That's exactly what I envisioned in my mind. And can I have something like that, you know? Lo and behold, God opened a door about 2.5 weeks ago. I stumbled upon this place, literally on social media, reached out to the owner, we met up, everything worked out perfectly. We signed the contract, the agreement, and that's it. Today's my first day at work, and I'm so excited because it's literally everything I wanted and more. And I'm just like so thankful and grateful for this opportunity. And you guys, I just like actually can't believe it. Like I am so excited. I am so excited. So basically I have 2 bridal trials today, and I'm gonna show you guys around the salon. It's so cute and new and girly, and oh my goodness. I literally got some coffee. I have all the makeup, everything in the back. So yeah, let's do this. Ooh. Alright guys, so I'm here at the salon and I'm gonna quickly show you guys around. Alright, so right over here we have the front of the salon, and then we have the front desk here, and the name of the salon is Denisa Oprah's Microblading. We have the little seating area. It's my coat back there. And then back here you do training for lashes and brows. But this is the star. This is what I came here for. The vanity section. That's going to be my chair. So yeah, this is literally all I needed. Open space, open countertops, chairs, and really nice lighting for makeup. And so I just store all my makeup here and lay it out and have it really nice and ready to go. But yeah, this is the salon, really cute and girly. I love it so much. So now I'm gonna go to the car and grab the makeup and just lay everything out. Alright, but that is basically my big announcement. You guys, I am so excited for this part of my life because I literally was seeking an opportunity like this for the longest time, and finally that door has been opened. So now I have a space to just have my clients come and get their makeup done for any occasion, any special event. And this is such a great opportunity for me to also continue my experience in makeup and do makeup on people. And then not only that, I'm able to create more content and just show you guys before and afters, and just learn, continue to grow as a makeup artist and expand my passion for makeup. So I'm really excited. I can't wait to show you guys all the future videos and content that I create in here. And yeah, I just wanted to quickly announce that before we jump into the rest of this video. I also have to wash all my makeup brushes. I have to just get it done. So I got my coffee here. This is the same mug I had in my last video, last decluttering video, and this mug is from Target. And if you guys ask, this sweater, this giant oversized hoodie boyfriend sweater, is from Aritzia. So let's get to cleaning. I'm excited. Oh yeah, let me just show you guys around my beauty room so you guys can see what I'm kind of like working with here. So I switched up my beauty room a little bit last time you guys saw it. So this is the door, and then I have a bag of products I still need to go through. That's a trash bag. It's like my little waxing station, extra beauty supplies, things like that. My vanity desk where I typically get ready. This is the desk where I film. Stuff everywhere. Like, if this doesn't stress you out when you're looking at it, then I don't know what's wrong with you. I'm just kidding. But it stresses me out so much just because I'm like, where do I put anything? Like, it's just so messy. I have my camera here, and then I just set up my lights, and then I usually film behind my vanity desk because you guys like that kind of setup. Here's more makeup that I need to go through. All that I'm taking with me to my freelance kit and my little salon area. Camera bag, freelance makeup stuff, just makeup lying around. Have my makeup chair, and then this is my only drawer that I have of my actual makeup. But I want to go through this and actually like see what I use, what I don't use, just so I can minimize it even more. I have to wash all these, just give them a nice deep clean. We have more products here. Lots of foundations. And then I bought this little mat from Amazon to conceal any like nasty stains that I have from this desk because it is really old. But you guys, you know, since I wax here, because I like wax my eyebrows and stuff, look at this. It's so dirty. Like, I don't know how to get rid of this wax, so I'm gonna try using maybe acetone or something just to like completely erase everything because I want this desk to be spotless. So right over here I have an extra box of brushes that I never use, but I also need to deep clean these and just go through them and see which ones I need to keep or give away. And so since I need to clean all my makeup brushes, I'm just gonna put everything in here. And then I'm gonna find any other brushes lying around my beauty room and then just put them in this box. So then when I clean these brushes, I know that everything is in here. Alright, so here I have my foundations. These are not all mine. Some of them are for freelance makeup. I keep some foundations in here that actually don't even match me right now. So I just want to declutter. Actually, I already ran out of this Benefit Hello Happy foundation. It's one of my favorites. It is so good and lightweight. I have to make a note and actually buy a new one. Okay, this foundation right here, it's not that good. Tried it, didn't really love it. So here I have these Milk Makeup foundation sticks that I'm going to take with me. I'm gonna put these in my freelance because these aren't really my actual shades, but they're really nice. These also I like to keep in my kit, so I am going to put these in as well just because these also aren't my shade. I definitely will be putting these in here. I don't wear them on me personally just because I love a dewier finish, but this foundation is so nice. So I'm gonna put this one in my freelance kit. Makeup forever, makeup forever, makeup forever. More makeup forever. Okay, I'm out of this color. I need to buy more of this shade because this is one of my favorite, most popular shades for foundation. Y245. I love these L'Oreal foundations. These two, this is for my personal use. I love the NARS foundation, so I'll put this in my kit just because it's not my shade. This one's in Gobi and it's too light for me. CC Cream, True Match, Makeup Forever Dior foundation. Patrick Ta's spray-on highlighters. I'm gonna put these in my kit just because I feel like I will get more use out of them. We have the e.l.f. Flawless Liquid Foundation. I still haven't tried this out. I just saw it at Marshall's. Alright, and then right over here I have the Dose of Colors foundation as well. Hourglass. I'm putting these in my makeup kit as well. These are really beautiful, full coverage, skin-like finishes. So they look really, really pretty on the skin. LC Cosmetics foundation. I'm gonna keep these because I love them so much. I'm looking at the colors that actually match right now. So let's see if we can make this work, Alright, so right over here I have all my lip pencils that I never fully use. I literally just use 2 nude lip pencils and I'm good. Maybe 1 red, 1 orange. So here I set aside a variety of nudes and reds and pinks. What I am going to do is go through every single one and spray with alcohol, and then the ones that are sharpened, like you need to sharpen, I'm going to just continue sharpening them just so they're nice and clean and fresh for my clients. Alright, so right over here I decided to just fast forward this part, but this is basically my everyday makeup drawer that I use on a daily basis. A lot of these products are my go-to products, but then a lot of them aren't. I just sometimes shove random products in the drawers just to clean up easily, but then I get overwhelmed because of how much stuff is in here. So I'm going through all the lip products and switching out my powders and bronzers and blushes just so I get an opportunity to test out every product that I have in my collection, just in case I forget about something that's sitting behind a drawer for many, many weeks. Alright, so this is all I got. I just left a few liquid lipsticks. I have this lip prep from MAC with the CoverGirl moisture coat. And then I have another liquid lipstick from BH Cosmetics, and then I have one of my favorite reds from Rimmel London. This is the one in Firestarter, and then I have a pillow pout from Buxom Cosmetics, and my stripped down lip pencil right over here. I'm gonna keep just like my go-to lip products in this drawer here, just so it's easy access. And then these are all my other lipsticks I'm going to put in my actual lipstick drawer just because I don't use them as often, and they're just like a lot of colors that I don't wear for every day, but they're nice to have. Okay, so in this little compartment I have some mascaras, brow gels. So this is the brow gel that I'm keeping for sure. And then I have these mascaras that I want to use up before tossing out. Okay, so in this compartment I just have the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. I'm actually going to put this in my freelance kit because I never use this on myself. I have the paint pot as well that I'm going to put in my kit. Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector. I'll put that in my kit as well. Alright, so in this drawer, I already cleaned it out yesterday just because it was overfilling. But basically I have just like my cream products as well as concealers. We have cream blush here. I have my foundations from Makeup Revolution. I have some L'Oreal concealers, Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. This is all like stained waterproof eyeliner. Here I have wax. It's like really sticky, and I'm gonna try to use makeup remover or acetone, not makeup remover, acetone, and see if I can just get rid of this the best I can. So let's go. All right, so it worked. It's 100% wax free. Everything is super clean. I'm so excited. So right over here I just set up my brush containers, lip liners, my go-to makeup, and everything. So it's looking really, really good, really clean, a lot better than before. I would have to say my main thing has already been accomplished. I basically cleaned up 2 of my desks and I organized everything. I wiped everything down. It's clean. So what I basically just need to do is finish packing up my freelance kit. And if you guys want to know what I take with me, I do have a separate video on that. So I'll just have that link down below if you guys are interested, and then I can maybe do an updated one later on in the future, but I'm not going to show you guys in today's video just because this video is going to be way too long and I'm already getting really tired. So I just want to finish putting away more of my makeup in my desk, and then I also want to vacuum this room and wash my makeup brushes, and then I will be done. So yay! I feel really accomplished today, and I'm really glad that I got everything I needed to get done. So I'm gonna just finish doing that. I'm gonna just show you guys everything I put aside for my freelance kit, and then I'm gonna show you guys the part of where I just put everything back in my little makeup drawers, and then we're gonna finish off by vacuuming the room, and then I'm gonna close out this video. So let's get started. We're almost done here. Alright, so right now I am just going through all the products that I set aside and just making sure they're in good condition before I put them in my freelance makeup kit. At this point I was already getting tired of cleaning, so I decided to just put the products in the drawers. I have 2 empty drawers for first impressions and new makeup, so I just kind of put them in there, but I'm gonna save another time to organize my IKEA drawer. In this little corner I have everything I'm planning on taking with me tomorrow to the salon. I have lashes, new makeup, powders, brushes are right there. I'm gonna wash them right after I'm done with this video. And then I just moved over my desk so I can vacuum, and we are gonna be done. Okay guys, I'm completely done. I literally can't go on anymore. It's 3 o'clock, which isn't too bad. I'm gonna go have some lunch right now. Wash my makeup brushes after I eat, but I'm not gonna film the process just because I can't be bothered. I have too many brushes and it's gonna take so long already, so I don't want to worry about like filming it maybe in a future video. But basically so I'm really excited because I don't think I actually like for real announced it, but I think my announcement will go up before this video. I am renting out a space in downtown Bellevue at a really beautiful salon, and I'm gonna have my clients go there to get their makeup done. So I'm really excited just because I've literally been praying about this for so long, and I feel like God already opened that door for me, and I feel really good about it. So now like all the makeup that I was storing for like freelance and extras and stuff like that, I'm gonna take it to the salon so I can just organize my space a little bit better. You guys, anybody can book with me to get their makeup done for any special occasion, weddings, birthdays, it really doesn't matter. But you guys can just come to the salon, and it's a really beautiful salon, and I feel like it's a much better experience just because the atmosphere, everything it's just like such a cute salon. I'm so excited about it. So tomorrow I have 2 bridal trials, and I'm just prepping everything and just cleaning everything out just so I don't forget anything that I need and all that stuff. So I'm really excited about that. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see from me. I really am always open to your guys' ideas. But that's going to be it for today's video. If you guys liked it, please give this video a thumbs up if you guys want me to continue doing these. That being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you very much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.